Two trains starts from Delhi and Pune towards each other at 7 a.m. with speeds 85 kilometers per hour and 67 kilometers per hour respectively. If they cross each other at 3:30 p.m., the distance between the stations is okay. Coming to answer, and we know the formula that D equal to S into T. By using this from formula, we doing this sum. Okay, and two trains starts from Delhi and Pune. Okay, one train, you assume that Delhi from at 7 a.m. with 85 kilometers per hour, and another train Pune at same time 7 a.m. and with 67 kilometers per hour. Okay, they're traveling towards each other from different stations. Okay, and it also given that it starts at 7 a.m. and finish at 3:30 p.m. So as we minus from the required time traveled is 8 hours 30 minutes. That means 8.5. Okay, from the formula D equal to S into T. As we know, they are traveling opposite to each other. It means we have to add the speeds. When it is traveling from parallel, we have to minus the speeds. Okay, adding 85.67 kilometers per hour equal to 152 kilometers per hour. You have to substitute in the formula D equal to S equal to 152 into T time. T time equal to 8.5. Therefore 8.5. Therefore D equal to 152 into 8, that equal to 16. 4 12, and 152 off equal to 76, and we add 76 to 912. Therefore 1292 kilometers. We got the sum.